Alligators sneeze just like we do, and it's oddly adorable for an apex predator. Their lungs work almost nothing like ours. Air actually travels down toward the tail before circling back out, structured more like a bird's respiratory system than a mammal's. When dust or pollen irritates their nose, a sneeze center in the brainstem triggers the same reflex buildup humans feel, ending in a surprisingly small, polite achoo. In pollen season, alligators emerging from swamps covered in yellow dust sneeze constantly to clear it out.